Welcome to Hand Yoga. I'm Heidi Parkes, and today we are going to improve circulation in our hands. We'll begin by doing a dry wash of our hands. So exactly as though you were underneath the water faucet in the sink, how might you initially make sure your hands are getting wet? And now we can grab our soap and we're going to lather. Create a lot of wonderful bubbles in our hands with that bar of soap. Hopefully you can already feel the heat in our hands. That's that increased blood flow, improved circulation. Let's immediately get some soap and circulation and heat on the back of the right hand. Rubbing quickly. Here's a slow motion version. We're looking to create some heat, create bubbles even on the sides of the hand, and then the other side. And now we'll fold the hands one over the other a few times. Gently flexing the hands, creating a bit of a massage. You can move along the thumb now. So we're massaging, creating warmth, and above all, improving our circulation here. So let's start to wash those fingers. We want to get into the webbed spaces of our hands. So I'm putting my left fingers in between my right fingers and the thumb. And now we'll move to the other side. And let's really massage into the wrist and the low forearm as well. We want to make sure that we're washing that whole area, activating the wrist. Notice that there are wonderful benefits for the left hand here as well as for the right forearm. Creating heat, warmth, circulation. Now let's just try to move intuitively, seeing what feels good, whether we keep the illusion of hand washing or we allow ourselves just to concentrate on heat and circulation. Let this be different every time you do it. It's possible that the right hand and the left hand need different things from one another. And let's pause. We should feel some tingling, circulation, movement in the hands. We can let them hang heavy at our side. I always feel amazed at how good something so simple feels. And now we'll gently dry our hands off as though we're wiping with a towel from the fingertips up towards the elbow, towards the heart. And the other side. So we're working on our circulation here too by just gently sending things towards the heart. And this light touch can help balance and calm that heating, more vigorous touch of the hand washing. And so thank you for joining me. This is Heidi Parkes. We're doing hand yoga, and there are lots more videos in the description with the link for our 30-day hand yoga challenge. Thank you, everyone, and be well with your fingers and your hands.